Welcome to my video. I am Maria, an expert in skincare. Today, we will explore effective methods to eliminate pimples and maintain healthy skin. Pimples can be an annoying issue that affects many people's confidence, but with the right techniques and products, we can definitely tackle this problem. In today's video, I will guide you through the necessary steps for safely and effectively treating pimples, from preparing your tools to the appropriate techniques for removal. Let's follow along to learn how to take the best care of your skin. When it comes to removing small pimples, using tweezers is an effective and safe technique. First, ensure that the tweezers are sterilized to prevent any risk of infection. Then, clean the area around the pimple with an antiseptic solution to minimize bacteria. Next, gently grasp the pimple with the tweezers and pull it out slowly, avoiding excessive pressure on the skin. If the pimple does not come out easily, do not force it. Instead, wait for a little while and try again later. After removing the pimple, clean the area once more and apply a soothing cream or product to support the healing process. Finally, remember to monitor the condition of your skin to catch any signs of infection or recurrence early, and adjust your skincare routine accordingly. When dealing with under-the-skin pimples, it's essential to apply a careful technique to ensure that the removal process is both safe and effective. First, gently create a small incision on the skin surface using a clean tool, allowing the pimple's core to escape. This technique minimizes damage to the skin and helps prevent inflammation. After creating the incision, use a tool such as tweezers or a needle to gently extract the pimple's core. Always be cautious not to apply excessive pressure on the surrounding skin to avoid causing harm. Finally, clean the area and apply a soothing product to support the healing process. When dealing with blackheads, it's important to perform a careful technique to ensure safe and effective removal. First, create an opening for the pimple's core by gently piercing the blackhead with tweezers. This technique helps to avoid damaging the surrounding skin. Next, use 2 fingers to gently press around the area of the blackhead. This action will help push the core of the blackhead out more easily. Make sure to perform this process with gentleness and patience to avoid any damage to the skin. After removing the blackhead, clean the area and apply a soothing product to support the healing process. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope the information and techniques I've shared will help you in caring for your skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any upcoming helpful videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave your comments below. See you in the next video.